Welcome to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and as seen in the title, today I'll be making mango and chia seed pudding for you guys. But firstly, what you want to do guys, you want to go ahead and soak your chia seed, okay? So right here I have 1 tablespoon of chia seed. To this guys, I'm going to go ahead and add some almond milk. Then you want to go ahead and add some organic honey. What you want to do, you want to cover this and allow it to soak for 20 to 1 hour, okay guys? For 20 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, let's go ahead and prepare the mango. So first what you need is some chopped mango, okay? And then to the mango you want to go ahead and add a little bit of almond milk, not much. Just to free up the blender. And then to this you want to go ahead and add some honey. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend this. I want it to be nice and smooth. So right here is the chia seed that was soaking, okay guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and place it in a glass, okay guys. So this is what it's looking like, okay guys. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my mango puree over, okay? And I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for half an hour.